If you're looking for an affordable microphone for vlogging on YouTube, two of the best options are the Rode VideoMicro and the Fifine K669B. These microphones offer great audio quality without breaking the bank, making them ideal for beginners and budget-conscious creators. Rode VideoMicro. The Rode VideoMicro is a compact shotgun microphone that delivers excellent sound quality for its price. It's designed for use with cameras and smartphones, making it perfect for vloggers who shoot on the go. The microphone features a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it focuses on sound directly in front of it while reducing background noise. This is especially useful for outdoor vlogging, where wind and ambient noise can be an issue. Rode includes a high-quality Rycote shock mount to minimize vibrations and handling noise, as well as a furry windshield to reduce wind interference. One of its best features is that it doesn't require batteries. It draws power directly from your camera or smartphone, making it a hassle-free option for creators who want a plug-and-play microphone. With its durable metal construction and lightweight design, the Rode VideoMicro is an excellent investment for vloggers who need an affordable, high-quality shotgun mic. Fifine K669B. The Fifine K669B is a fantastic, budget-friendly USB microphone that delivers professional-level audio for YouTube vlogging, voiceovers, and live streaming. It features a cardioid pickup pattern, ensuring that it captures your voice clearly while minimizing background noise. Unlike the Rode VideoMicro, which is best for mobile shooting, the Fifine K669B is more suited for indoor setups, making it perfect for sit-down vlogs, podcasting, and gaming commentary. It's a plug-and-play device, meaning you can connect it directly to your computer without needing additional software or an audio interface. The microphone is built with a sturdy metal body, giving it a premium feel despite its low price. It also comes with a volume control knob, allowing you to adjust your input levels in real time. If you're a beginner YouTuber looking for a high-quality yet affordable USB mic, the Fifine K669B is a great choice that offers clear, professional audio without the need for extra accessories.